Hey everybody. I know some of us have been having some technical issues with the school issued computers, getting onto Zoom, stuff with Accelerate Ed working. So this is what I figured out as far as how to submit tech tickets about it. You are going to open up your internet browser and type in, and I'll send you this link to LASD, Lewisburg Area School District dot happyfox.com. It will take you to a page that looks like this. The first thing you need to do is log in. This should be your students. Now mine logged itself in. This should be your students' email. So I think it's like graduation year, last name underscore first at dragon.k12.pa.us. Whatever that login is for you. For me, let me log out here again. I think my stuff is all saved, so it just automatically logs me in. So whatever you use to log into the computer as your student, that will be your login and password. Their password is most likely their library number, the number that you use for STAR testing. Once you're in here, you go to Submit Ticket. A screen like this will come up. You can type in the subject, Zoom problems, or e-school video, whatever you're having your problem with, okay? For category, you'll put technology because it's a technology problem. Ticket user, you are a student. I'm hoping yours looks the same as mine. Being that I'm a teacher, it might look a little different. If so, I'm really sorry. Student username, you put in your student's username. Student's ID number, student or parent email. So I would put in your personal email just so everything comes to you so it's a little easier to access. Issue type, these would be hardware. If it's a computer problem, I would put hardware. If it's web-based, I would put software. And then you can just click here. Some of you are saying Adobe kept wanting you to update. Seesaw or Canvas. Zoom is in here under software. Other website would be Accelerate Ed. And then down in this box, you just type whatever the problem is that you're having. Once you're done filling all of that out, you'll click Create Ticket. Now, I don't think it's going to let me because I didn't fill everything in. That will send it to our tech department. And then you'll get updates with answers, hopefully, to whatever email address you put in. So I hope this is helpful and I hope it works. Thanks.